What is up, guys? So Keith's Ranger is headed to the shop. He is at work right now and will be gone for a few weeks, so I told him I would take his machine to Mark's at Butler ATV and Repair, and we're gonna get started on this build. Now I won't be around to get video while we're building it because Keith's gone and I'll be working, so we're just gonna let Mark do his thing on this one. So this will be the last time y'all see it like this on the little baby donut wheels. But from my understanding, what he got is he got rear Super ATV A-arms, and then on the front I think he is doing away with this Outcast A-arm setup that he did. Pretty good amount of videos back we did that, and great setup, but we're going a little bit different, so we'll be doing away with those. We're gonna go with the Super ATV forward A-arms on this one. I think it's the 1.5 inch forward, or maybe the 2, I don't know, we'll have to see once it gets done. He did that. We gotta replace the little seal in the front differential, it's leaking. We're gonna do the ball joints just like we did on the Razor, and we're gonna do the Super ATV tie rod kit. So this thing is gonna be sweet. Now for rims, we went with this MSA off-road wheels and a 20. I'm not sure what style they're called, but we're gonna save that until we show the final build, so y'all stay tuned for that. Tires, he is gonna go, I believe he said he's gonna go with the 38 by 10s or 10.5. I'm not really sure which one it is. I think he's probably gonna go with the 38s with the bkts. So this thing is gonna look great. And he's also doing the 6-inch portals with the 45% gear reduction, so that will be super sweet. This is already a massive machine, just like it sits, even with the little baby tires. But when it gets back, it is gonna be massive. So yeah, I cannot wait to see it. Maybe we'll get a little video of it getting built, I don't know, it depends on how busy I am, so we'll see what happens with that. But I'll snap to whatever we're going to snap to. Hopefully we'll get some video of it getting built, but if not, this will be the last time you get to see it like this, and it's baby stage. So y'all stay tuned and we'll be right back. It's been a few days, but we are back. Just unloaded the Ranger off the trailer. Y'all ready to see it? It looks good. Bam. That baby is big. Let's take a quick little walk around and look at it. Got the rims, tires, portals, new A-arms. This thing is looking big, son. But anyways, let's take a walk around. I'm gonna tell y'all what all was done to it. So first off, Keith went with the bkts AT 171s. These are 38 by 10s, and then on the rims he went with the MSA. I can't remember what they're called for nothing, but they're 20s. They look really good, look really stylish. Yeah, it's a big tire. Looks even bigger in person, I bet. So down here, he went with the 6-inch portals from Super ATV, and he went with a 45% gear reduction. Hope these tires turn. Went with all new A-arms. They're forward, I think the 1.5 inch, and they're arched. We went with the Super Duty 300M ball joints from Super ATV, top and bottom on each side. This thing is looking good. And these are also, they got a spot where you can hook your sway bar on, but we kept it off so it'll angle or articulate a little better. And he did the tie rod kit from Super ATV also. Comes with a hem style joint on the end. Looks really good. Looks a lot beefier than the stock. This thing is sitting up there. And on the rear, of course, he also did the Super ATV arms with the portals. We're missing a brake caliper. We had to get a new one ordered, but that'll be here shortly. Yeah, this thing is looking good, man. I think he's really gonna like it. He is at work. He's only seen pictures of it. He hasn't seen it in person, but if you can tell anything, it's about as tall as me on the bed. So this thing is massive. It looks good. I cannot wait for him to get back. I'm gonna go test this thing out. I'm not gonna test it out because I don't want to break nothing. I doubt it breaks, but I'm gonna let him test it out. Yeah, man, both of the machines are looking good now. We got the Razor up on portals. Got this one up on portals. These things are looking good, looking big. I like it. Cannot wait to get to a mud park and also on the creek to see how they do. I know they're gonna do good. Man, the ground clearance on this thing picked up so much. I need to find a tape measure. Still haven't found mine from the last video, if y'all watched that. But anyways, I'll have to buy another one. But yeah, man, this thing is looking good. Well, he's had this Ranger, I'd say 2 years maybe. We started off with everything stock, of course. He's done a pretty good bit of stuff. We've changed the front A-arms out to an outcast lift. And that setup was pretty good. It was like a forward A-arm, arched. Had the, I think like 2 or 3 inches of lift under it with the A-arm built into the A-arm. And he did a bracket lift on the rear from outcast also. It's still on there. I'm guessing he's gonna keep that on there. I'm not for sure. I'm sure he will. But yeah, there's all the old stuff that came off. Got rid of them spacers and got the outcast lift off. It is all looking good. So let's compare some stuff. Let's see. Oh, there should be a tie rod. There it is. So here's the stock tie rods that comes on your stock Polaris Ranger Highlifter. See the joints in them. Now compared to this one, I don't know if I can get that thing up in there good, but you can tell it's noticeably way bigger. And on the end, instead of having that style, it's got this hem joint, and it is way beefier. And these ball joints are also greasable. So you just get a little needle end on your grease gun, stick it down in there, and you can grease them. So that'll help. And of course, Super ATV, all their points on there has got Allen mites on them where you can grease them. So that'll help keep them all lubed up and stuff. I also have them in the rear. But yeah, man, I'm loving how this thing turned out. It looks super good. He's gonna be super crunk when he sees it. But guys, stick around. We'll have some videos coming up soon whenever he gets back of mine and his doing work at the creek at some mud parks. So we're pretty crunk to get y'all some video of all that. And we got some more videos coming up soon of some pretty cool stuff also. So y'all stick around, subscribe, like this video, comment on here and tell me what y'all think about it. And we'll see y'all guys on the next one.